Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about why Monzo takes so long to transfer money. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I wanted to take some time to address it. Before we get into the details, I want to start by saying that Monzo is a great bank. I've been using them for over a year now, and I've been very happy with my experience. However, there is one thing that I've noticed about Monzo, and that's that it can take a long time to transfer money to or from your account. So, why is this the case? Well, there are a few reasons. Reason 1, Monzo is a new bank. Monzo is a relatively new bank, and they're still working on some of their processes. This can sometimes lead to delays in transfers. Reason 2, Monzo uses open banking. Monzo uses open banking, which is a new way for banks to share data. This can sometimes lead to delays in transfers. Reason 3, Monzo is a challenger bank. Monzo is a challenger bank, which means that they're not a traditional bank. This can sometimes lead to delays in transfers. Reason 4, Monzo is a digital bank. Monzo is a digital bank, which means that they don't have any physical branches. This can sometimes lead to delays in transfers. Reason 5, Monzo is a UK-based bank. Monzo is a UK-based bank, and this can sometimes lead to delays in transfers to and from international accounts. So, what can you do to speed up your transfers to and from Monzo? There are a few things you can do to speed up your transfers to and from Monzo. Use faster payments. Faster Payments is a new payment system that allows you to transfer money to and from your bank account instantly. Monzo supports Faster Payments, so you can use it to make transfers to and from your account. Use a debit card. You can use your debit card to make transfers to and from your Monzo account. This is usually the fastest way to make a transfer. Use a credit card. You can use your credit card to make transfers to and from your Monzo account. However, this is not always the fastest way to make a transfer. Be patient. It's important to be patient when making a transfer to or from your Monzo account. Sometimes it can take a few days for the transfer to go through. In conclusion, Monzo is a great bank, but it can take a long time to transfer money to or from your account. There are a few reasons for this, but there are also a few things you can do to speed up your transfers. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.